Siberian hitch knot. Okay, position your palm like this, then make a loop wrapping your palm like so, and then pass your palm together with the loop on the other side of this rope like this, and then make a bite. Insert this bite onto that loop, and when you start pulling here, notice this figure of 8 like this, and that's how you know that you have made a proper Siberian hitch knot. Okay. The nice thing about this knot is that this already has a slippery hitch on this. Okay. Once you pull this slippery hitch or this tag end, it will simply undo